Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hafisha A. Ibrahim. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about function. So, here are the objective. Define what is relation and function. Identify a relation whether a function or not. So, what is relation? Relation is a rule that relates from a set of values domain to a second set of values range. So, X and Y is yan yung tinatawag natin na order pairs. Is a set of order pairs. Yung X is yun, it is called input and dependent variables domain or abscissa. Y is called output or independent variables. Yan yung range and ordinate. What is function? Function is a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value in the range. So, okay. Ano yung pinagkaiba ng relation at saka function? So, yung sabi nga natin, relation is a set of order pairs. So, yung function is kailangan yung domain niya is hindi ma-repeat. So, not all relation is a function, but all relation is a function. So, ayun na nga yung sinabi natin na function is where each element of the domain is related only in one values of range. So, as we can see, itong domain natin is hindi na ulit. Ang domain natin is 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, kung nakikita nyo, hindi na ulit itong domain. So, kaya siya natawag na function. So, dito naman tayo sa not function. Bakit siya not function? Okay, ang mga domain natin is 2, negative 1, 2, and 4. So, ano yung domain natin na naulit? So, sa first, itong 2, naulit siya dito. Sa pangatlong pair, itong 2. So, kaya hindi siya function. So, dito naman, ang mga domain natin is 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, ang range natin is 4, 6, and 8. So, this is a function. Why? Because, okay, yung domain natin is related only one to range. So, kahit itong domain natin is itong dalawang domain natin is naulit yung same yung range nila, it's okay, function pa rin yan kasi at least yung domain niya is hindi naulit. So, this is a function. So, dito naman, this is not a function because sa domain is naulit itong 2. So, our domain is 2, 3, and 4. The range is 3, 2, 1, and 6. So, as we can see, 2 is naulit siya. Naulit itong 2 kasi if we make it pair, ganito yung mangyayari. 2, 3, and 2, and 2. So, ito yung mga domain natin na naulit. So, this is not a function. So, sa graph, paano natin ma-identify na function na to or hindi. So, sa vertical line test is kailangan itong line na to is once lang na mag-pass dito sa vertical line na to. For example is ganito. Dito. So, as we can see, itong line, itong linear, itong line na to is once lang na nag-pass dito sa vertical line at saka once lang dito na nag-pass dito sa vertical line 2. So, an example of knot function is just like this. Kung matatawag, hindi ito function kasi 2 or more mag-pass tong line na to, hindi na matatawag na function. Nagpass. So, which are the following relation is a function? So, sa letter A, ang domain natin is 1, 2, 4, 8. So, ano yung may naulit ba dito sa domain natin? So, wala. So, this is a function. Sa letter B naman, our domain is negative 1, 2, negative 1, and then. So, naulit ba yung domain natin? So, as we can see, naulit yung domain natin, itong negative 1. So, this is not a function. Not a function. Not a function. So, sa letter C, our domain is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, our domain is hindi naulit. So, this is a function. So, dyan lang po nagtatapos ang aking discussion.